Today we will discuss about for clipping in Revit. First of all, I welcome all my friends on my educational channel. Subscribe and press the bell icon for more latest videos. Like and share also. For clipping is parameter that we control when creating section, elevation or callout. The for clip plan is defined with the for clip offset parameter. For better understanding for clipping, we open a sample project. Select level 1 in floor plan and close the title sheet. Open a 3D view for model understanding. It's a pitched roof. Draw a section in level 1. Select section tool from quick access toolbar and draw in model. Our section is starting from the section line and the dotted line is for clip offset. We can adjust the distance of our clip offset through drag arrows. We drag for clip offset and adjust it between the grid B and C before the top pitched roof. We can also adjust for clip offset through properties palette by assigning numerical value. Go to view by right clicking on section. It's a section view. Also open west elevation in building elevation. Select tile view in view tab so all open views in front of us together. The shortcut key of tile view is WT. Our section starts from grid E and for clipping offset is between grid B and C. The pitched roof top of this model is on grid B. For clipping is set on clip without line, so roof strips we can see but clip line we can't see. Now we select clip with line. Section is clipping the model between grid B and C and we can also see the clip line. If we set no clipping in for clipping, then we see roof top edge. And for clip offset is disabled in properties palette. I deliver you one more example for clipping. I close this sample project. Create a new project by selecting architecture template. Draw a wall on 45°. Draw a section and adjust for clip offset approximately mid the wall. Go to section view by right clicking. Select tile view in view bar. So both views are in front of us. Zoom in the views. We have clip without line option in for clip. We are seeing the location without line in section from where the for clip line is clipping the wall. Now we select clip with line option. Now we seeing a line from where the for clip line is clipping the wall. Finally select no clip option in for clipping. Section for clip offset is disabled in properties and we can see the complete wall. It's our today's far clipping topic. I hope you understand it. For more educational videos, keep watching BIM Talks.